case anyone's wondering how you get the spark plugs out of a Toyota Auris. So first I had to remove the wiper arms, then we had to remove the plastic cowling, engine cover, the wiper motor, and then all of this metal shield that goes across here. So you got 10mm bolts here, 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 here. Same over there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you got these ones across. So all of that's out. Now you can access there seems to be a problem with this one having a misfire. Looks like the spark plug wasn't tight, so I'm just hoping that someone's not tightened it enough. Got some new NGK spark plugs to go in. I'm going to get those tightened up. Here's a long reach 14mm spark plug tool. Just going to go along each one. Tighten them all by hand, then we're going to tighten them with a ratchet. So we're going to get this back in, slip it into place. Let's just put in these bolts back in. We're going to tighten those up. I'm going to slip the coils back in. Would have been easier to do this before I put that cover back on actually, but yeah, it's okay. Get the bolts to keep those down, and we're going to tighten these up. So now I've put the motor back in place, slide it in, we're just putting the bolts back in, and the plug here. Now we've got all of this silly plastic, it just needs to slide in. Now that's done, we're going to put the wipers. What I'm usually doing is when I put them down, I put them in the right order so you don't get confused. So that's your left, and you can see it should sit about there. Place my ratchet there so the bonnet don't completely close, and then we're going to drop it down so we can access the bolts. These little caps. And finally, your plastic engine cover to make it look fake nice. And we're all done.